Intro.
Stay-at-home FAQs. On Friday, March 20th, Governor Pritzker issued Executive Order 2020-10 requiring all Illinoisans to stay in their homes to prevent the further spread of COVID-19. The order prohibits things like visiting the homes of friends and holding gatherings of any size and closes all non-essential establishments, including most retail, recreation and entertainment businesses. It does not prohibit essential activities like going to the grocery store, receiving medical care, or taking your pet for a walk. For more information on what this order means for you, please see below. Links to translated versions of this FAQ. Stay-at-home FAQ, Spanish, Chinese, Hindi. FAQ Index. When does the order take effect? Where does the stay-at-home order apply? Is this mandatory or just guidance? How will this order be enforced? Will the Illinois National Guard be enforcing this order? I work in an essential service. How will the police know I'm allowed to be outside my house? Will grocery stores be open? How can I get medical care if I need it? What is the guidance for individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities? What if I still have to go to work? What if I think my business should be closed but I'm still being asked to operate? Can I order food, groceries? A certain service is essential for me, but the governor didn't include it. What do I do? Will public transportation and ride-sharing be available? Will roads in Illinois be closed? Can I take a flight out of state? What if my home is not a safe environment? What about homeless people who can't stay at home? Can I visit friends and family? What about my pet? What is the difference between the stay-at-home order and social distancing? Can I leave home to exercise? Can I pick up meals being provided by my child's school? Can I go out to do laundry? Can I take my child to daycare? Questions. When does the order take effect? The order will take effect Saturday, March 21st at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Where does the stay-at-home order apply? The governor's executive order includes the entire state. Unless you work for an essential business or are doing an essential activity, you should stay home. Work from home is permitted and encouraged where possible. Is this mandatory or just guidance? This order is mandatory. To help prevent the further spread of COVID-19 in Illinois and protect our friends, neighbors, and vulnerable populations, please stay home. How will this order be enforced? Staying home is critical to reducing the spread of COVID-19 in your community. The Illinois State Police will work with local law enforcement to enforce this order, but adhering to the order will save lives and it is the responsibility of every Illinoisan to do their part. Will the Illinois National Guard be enforcing this order? No. The Illinois National Guard will be supporting logistics, transportation, and medical response efforts. The Guard will not be enforcing this order. I work in an essential service. How will the police know I'm allowed to be outside my house? Law enforcement officials will not stop residents who are on their way to or from work or who are out for necessities like going to the pharmacy or getting groceries, or just taking a walk. People gathering in any size group may be asked to social distance or go home. Illinoisans should abstain from all non-essential activities. Adhering to the order will save lives and it is the responsibility of every Illinoisan to do their part. Will grocery stores be open? Yes, essential services will still be operational, including, but not limited to, grocery stores, gas stations, pharmacies, police stations, fire stations, hospitals, clinics and healthcare operations, garbage, sanitation, public transportation, public benefits, i.e. SNAP, Medicaid, hotlines. A full list can be found in the Executive Order 2020-10 or at coronavirus.illinois.gov. How can I get medical care if I need it? If you are feeling sick, call your doctor, a nurse hotline, any telehealth hotline set up specifically for COVID-19, check with your insurance company, or an urgent care center. If you are experiencing symptoms or are currently in isolation, you should stay at home and follow the guidelines provided by your physician. Do not go to an emergency room unless necessary. Non-essential medical care like eye exams and teeth cleaning should be postponed. When possible, healthcare visits should be done remotely. Contact your healthcare provider to see what telehealth services they provide. What is the guidance for individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities? State-operated developmental centers, intermediate care facilities for individuals with developmental disabilities and community-integrated living arrangements will continue to provide care. All in-home direct care staff are considered essential staff and should continue to support individuals in the home setting. If you have any specific questions about your support and services, please reach out to your provider or Individual Service Coordination (ISC) agency. To receive updated information on DDD services, please sign up for our email database, or to update your contact and service information, please visit icdd.illinois.gov. What if I still have to go to work? Unless your work is an essential function, i.e. healthcare provider, grocery store clerk, first responder, you should stay home. If you have been designated essential by your employer, you should continue to go to work and practice social distancing. If you are experiencing symptoms or are currently in isolation, you should stay at home and follow the guidelines provided by your physician. What if I think my business should be closed but I'm still being asked to operate? Essential businesses will remain open during the stay-at-home order to provide services that are vital to the lives of Illinoisans. Those businesses include, but are not limited to, pharmacies, certain government offices, day care centers that provide care for the children of essential employees, and restaurants providing take-out meals. If you work for an essential business, you should continue to practice social distancing and should stay at home outside of work hours. If you believe your business is non-essential but are still being asked to show up to work, you may discuss with your employer. Can I order food, groceries? Yes, grocery delivery will be available as well as meal delivery, drive-through, and take-out options. A certain service is essential for me, but the governor didn't include it. What do I do? The stay-at-home order was issued to protect the health, safety and well-being of Illinoisans. While some businesses like fitness centers and salons will be closed, essential services will always be available. Will public transportation and ride-sharing be available? Public transportation and ride-sharing should be used for essential travel only. When possible, walk or drive yourself. Will roads in Illinois be closed? No, the roads will not be closed in Illinois. You should only travel if it is essential to your work or health.